you and I can save money this Corona season.
5 simple steps. So let's get started. Smart periodic investments. Warren Buffett has said that the best time to buy is when everyone else is selling. The markets are going to be pretty volatile in coming future. Why? Many shareholders will be unloading their shares, and because of the crisis situation, the economic dilemma जिसमें हम सब फंसे हुए हैं, many companies are going to reduce the price of their shares so that more people can subscribe to it. It's going to be a really crazy time, so it's a good time also for you to make well-informed and well-researched decisions. You can make investments in shares or mutual funds or whatever you want your portfolio to be about.
Next, we talk about restricting impulsive home deliveries.
I know this is something which most of us are guilty, including me, okay? I mean, I know it's pretty tempting and it's pretty, it seems very essential to our survival because we are stuck at home from so many days. But trust me guys, it is not that essential. If it's like a lot of food material that you're ordering, if it's a lot of non-essential items
that you're ordering,
try and curb those little down because right now we don't know how the economy is what's going to be the scenario once the lockdown is over. Are we going to have a lot of money? Are we not going to have a lot of money? How the money is going to circulate in our economy? What's going to be anything like? We don't know, right? So the best way is just to keep a bit of money in our hand so that we can actually save for potential anything which might come. Create monetary model. We don't know how things are going to unfold. So it is very important for us to make a wise and
conscious decisions about monetary models.
So there are several things that you can do, right? You can create a multi-dimensional model. Take care of your spending, you can take care of your budgets, you can take care of your savings, you can take care of your pocket money. Different aspects could be well thought of from different. You need to play by percentages. That's one way. The most important thing to be taken care of is that you must create some sort of
grace or maybe safety nets to avoid any kind of guilt trips.
Follow a simple method of 50-30-20. 50% of your income has to be gone for spending, right? For buying essentials, for whatever you think you need it for, the essentials basically. 30% of the income can go towards the leisure, right? So if you want to buy some goods, if you want to buy some non-essential items, and 20% of the amount, it has to primarily go for your savings. So that's a simple method that you can try out. Another thing which you can do is taking help of some spreadsheets or some tracking applications which are multitudely available in your mobile phone. Even care about your money in a much more organized manner to get best results.
Create multiple sources of money income.
When we are talking about savings, it is pretty essential to also talk about creating multiple streams of money. See guys, we all are at home. We are stuck up in the lockdown, right? Which is going to last for a couple of days more or maybe even that. We don't know what's about to come, right? So it's good to invest ourselves and invest our skills in some sort of programs or platforms it's good to invest our skills and ourselves in some sort of platforms wherein we can actually get some money, right? So you can open up an account on Freelance, we can open up an account on Upwork. Your LinkedIn to look more beautiful with all those certificates and all those achievements. It will give you more content to post about and it will beautify and strengthen your LinkedIn account for another further professional achievement. Last but not the least, we talk about getting
frugal about subscriptions.
Frugal, actually online. Frugal simply means अपने पैसे को लेकर थोड़ा मच करने का.
Many of us are having several sorts of subscription, right? It could be a Prime subscription, it could be a Netflix subscription, it could be storytelling, a fitness subscription, or any kind of right? So we are having lots and lots of subscriptions. Time of crisis is very essential. It's very important to take care of those subscriptions, right? So the first thing you need to do is actually review all of the subscriptions that your accounts are having, and if possible just delete or cancel out those subscriptions which you haven't used in last 15 days, right? That's the first thing you can do. Secondly, what you can do is you need to manage your subscription. For example, instead of having a subscription about reading books which you are not doing anyway, right? I mean, you know it. So in case you are not doing that, get a subscription about Prime, because in future it might help you from not going to movie halls and spending even more money, but actually to stay home with your family and watch together. So manage your subscriptions wisely because that is going to give you amazing results. If you think this was some good content, please go ahead and click that like button. Also click on subscribe and that bell notification. Done! I'll see you next time. Until then, love Mink.